Hey everyone, welcome back to Mukasuka channel. In today's video, I'm excited to show you how to effortlessly remove backgrounds in Canva, whether you're using the Pro version or sticking with the free one. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to upload the image you want to remove the background from. Now let me show you how to remove backgrounds using the Canva Pro version. Once your image is in the editing interface, go ahead and click on Edit Image. You'll see an option called Background Remover. Just click on that, and Canva will automatically remove the background for you. It's like magic. For simple images, the tool works like a charm. Just a few clicks, and you're done. But for more complex images, where the background might blend with the subject, you might need to use the Erase and Restore tools to get that perfect result. These options let you fine-tune and manually adjust areas that need a little extra attention. And now let me show you how to remove backgrounds using the free version of Canva. Although Canva Free doesn't have the built-in background remover like the Pro version, there's still a way to do it with a few extra steps. Let's dive in. Click on the Apps icon located on the left-hand toolbar. Type Clear Background into the search bar. This will bring up some options for third-party tools that can help you remove the background from your image. Select the first app that appears in the list. Next, click on Open and then choose the image you want to remove the background from. The app will load your image, ready for the background removal process. And here's the result after the processing is done. Your image now has a clean, transparent background, ready to be used in any of your projects. It's that simple. But wait, something seems off. It looks like the app didn't do the best job at removing the background. Some areas might still be a bit messy, or not as clean as we'd like. Let me try a different background so we can see the results more clearly. Sometimes changing the background can help us spot any imperfections that need fixing. Yeah. After taking a closer look, the image isn't as clean as we hoped. The hair still has some background stuck to it, and the bottom of the dress got over-erased. Let's try it again with a different image and see if we can get a better result. Great! With this new image, the background removal turned out much better. The app did a fantastic job. Everything looks clean and sharp, just the way we want it. So, using this third-party tool in the free version works really well for simple images. But it does have its limitations with more complex ones compared to the built-in background remover in the Pro version. But don't worry, I'm going to show you another method that's just as powerful as the Pro tool, and the best part? It's 100% free. Using Remove BG is as simple as it gets. Just upload your image, click a button, and let the tool work its magic. In a matter of seconds, you'll have a perfectly clean, transparent background. It's just as powerful as Canva Pro's background remover, and the best part? It's completely free, but that's not all. Remove BG also offers Erase and Restore tools for those tricky areas where the background removal might need a little extra touch. Whether it's fine-tuning the edges or bringing back some details, this tool has got you covered. Once you're done, just download the image and upload it to Canva to continue creating your masterpiece. Easy, efficient, and free. What more could you ask for? Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more great content. See you in the next video.